Next question. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. Australia, China, France, West Indies. The name of storms: Hurricane, Willy Willy, Typhoon and Mistral. We will have to match these with their name in these specific regions. So the first, Australia. We call storms in Australia Willy Willy. The storms are called in China is hurricane. The storms are called in France is Mistral and storms are called in West Indies is typhoon. A option is correct. Next question. Which is the lowest level of atmosphere? The lowest level is troposphere. A option is correct. Which one of the following represent the lines joining the places of equal rainfall? It is isohyets. The option is correct. Depression formed due to deflecting action of winds are called. This is called Yardang. The option is correct. Which one of the following is the highest cloud? It is a cirrus, that is the highest cloud. Troposphere is the hottest part of the atmosphere because it is heated by the earth's surface. The lowest layer of atmosphere is troposphere, the zone of earth's atmosphere immediately above its surface up to a height of about 16 kilometers above equator and 8 kilometers over the poles is known as troposphere. C option is correct. Here comes our next question. The zone of Earth's atmosphere immediately above its surface up to a height of 16 kilometers above equator and 18 kilometers over the poles is known as troposphere. Which one of the following is called as roaring 40? The thing that is called as roaring 40 is winds blowing in southern hemisphere between 400 to 600. A option is correct. Air mass near to the Earth's surface is warmer because it is warmed by the terrestrial radiation. C option is correct. Next question. Which one of the following is called northeaster? Northeaster is a cold and fast blowing winds from the polar region in northern hemisphere. C option is correct. Next question. Density of Earth's atmosphere is highest in the troposphere. Which of the following observes part of the insolation and preserves Earth's radiated heat? It is water vapor. C option is correct. Cyclones are caused by low pressure. A option is correct. What is a tornado? A tornado is a very low pressure center that is called a tornado. Katrina is a name given to a hurricane. The option is correct. In which region does rainfall occur throughout the year? It occurs throughout the year in the equatorial region. B option is correct. The vertical movement of air is termed as air current. B option is correct. Next question. The atmospheric layer closest to the earth is troposphere. C option is correct. Frontal rain is caused by cyclonic activity. Smog is a combination of smoke and fog, that is called smog. The option is correct. Which one of the four regions above the earth has the smallest height? The region is troposphere that has smallest height. The option is correct. Typhoons are common in the seas of China and Japan. Wind represents wind turbulence. A option is correct. The layer of the atmosphere in which radio waves are reflected back is called ionosphere. The atmospheric layer farthest from the Earth's surface is known as exosphere. B option is correct. The climatic zones are classified on the basis of rainfall. The main advantage of rainwater harvesting is that recharge groundwater needed. A option is correct. Next question. Subtropical high pressure belts are otherwise called horse latitudes. C option is correct. Atmospheric temperature increasing at the higher altitudes is called inversion. B option is correct. Which of the following regions is the responsible for lack of vegetation in the deserts? The region is lack of rainfall. This is the reason why there are no vegetation in the deserts. D option is correct. The humidity of air depends on temperature, location and weather. All these are important. D option is correct. The temperature increases rapidly above exosphere. B option is correct. Our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. You will have to name all these 5 layers in the comment section. Next question. The forests which act as barriers against cyclones are, the forest are mangrove forest that acts as barriers against cyclones. Cloudburst means abnormally heavy downpour of rain associated with thunderstorm, that is called cloudburst. B option is correct. Which of the following is false with respect to rainwater harvesting? The thing that is false according to rainwater harvesting, it increases rain of losses. It doesn't increase. The option is correct. Next question. The southeast trade winds are attracted towards the Indian subcontinent in the rainy season due to the presence of low atmospheric pressure over northwest India. The option is correct. The Mediterranean region are characterized by heavy rain in winter. A option is correct. The layer of atmosphere close to the Earth's surface is called troposphere. Choose the correct option which represents the arrangement of atmospheric layers. So the first layer is troposphere, then ionosphere and then exosphere. The option is correct. Next question. Cloudburst means abnormally heavy downpour of rain associated with the thunderstorm. All vital atmospheric processes leading to various climatic and weather conditions take place in the troposphere, which is the warmest layer of the atmosphere. The warmest layer of the atmosphere is thermosphere. Most of the ozone in the Earth's atmosphere is found in the stratosphere. Which of the following is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere? It is exosphere. The option is correct. Match first list with second and mark the correct answer. The first list is the name of winds, and the second list is locations, their respective locations. So we will have to match these. Chinook is the location of Chinook wind is associated with USA. Next, Foyan is a wind associated with Egypt. Sirocco is a wind associated with India, and Lu is a wind associated with Alps. B option is correct here. Next question. In which of the following layer of atmosphere the absorption and scattering of solar ultraviolet radiation takes place? It takes place in stratosphere, a level of atmosphere which is composed partly of electrons and positive ions is called ionosphere. The amount of insolation received at a place on the surface of Earth depends on its latitude. Which of the following wind is blowing from the Mediterranean Sea to the northwestern part of India? The wind is western disturbances. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere contains the ozone layer? The layer is stratosphere. Rainfall caused by intense evaporation in equatorial areas is called convectional rainfall. The option is correct. Ultraviolet radiation in the stratosphere is observed by ozone layer. The option is correct. The layer where the decrease in temperature with increasing altitude is totally absent is stratosphere. Precipitation in the form of a mixture of rain and snow is called slit. C option is correct. Which of the following is our rain cloud? The thing that a rain cloud is nimbostratus, and second is cumulonimbus. B option is correct here. Next question. Ozone layer is formed due to the reactions of oxygen and ultraviolet rays. The seabed sloping gradually and bordering the continent is known as continental shelf. A special type of well in which water rises automatically under the pressure of a column of water to the ground surface through a hole is known as artesian well. A option is correct. Which of the following oceans has the shape of the English alphabet S? The ocean is Atlantic Ocean that has the shape of alphabet S. C option is correct. Next question. Which from the following is a landlocked sea? The sea that is a landlocked sea is a Aral Sea. The option is correct. A place where there is constant intermingling of salt water and fresh water is estuary. A option is correct. The deepest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Tides in the sea have stored in them gravitational potential energy. C option is correct. The deepest surface depression on the earth is Mariana Trench. B option is correct. Echo sounding is the technique applied to measure the depth of the sea. Al Nino is a warm ocean current. A option is correct. Next question. The narrow stretch of water connecting two seas is called a strait. D option is correct. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean, which current is responsible for increase in the temperature of Western Europe. The current that is responsible for this is North Equatorial Current. D option is correct. Tsunamis are caused by earthquakes. B option is correct. Seismic sea waves which approach the coast at greater force are known as tsunami. B option is correct. Which of the following is a cold ocean current? It is Humboldt current, that is a cold ocean current, and Brazil current, Oyashi current, and Canary current. These are warm ocean current. A option is correct. Next question. Sea breeze is formed during daytime. The coral reefs are marine counterparts of tropical rainforest. This question is very important. Coral reefs are most important. You will have to read all these. Next question. The deepest ocean is Pacific Ocean. B option is correct. Two seas or water bodies connected by a narrow stretch of water is known as strait. Waves approaching the shore is known as tsunami. Atoll is a kind of inland sea. The coastal part of water bodies of the oceans, which is structurally part of the mainland of the continents, is called the continental shelf. Which one of the following is not a cold ocean current? This is Kuroshio, that is not a cold ocean current. The term territorial water means water of the sea located close to the coast of a country. The ocean which touches the Asian and American shore is Pacific Ocean. D option is correct. Which from the following can cause a tsunami? Tsunami can be caused by earthquake. D option is correct. The coastal part of water bodies of the ocean, which is structurally part of the mainland of continent, is called continental shelf. Mariana Trench is found in Pacific Ocean. B option is correct. Which one of the following ocean currents does not occur in Atlantic Ocean? The current is Peru current. The main cause of tsunami is earthquake on the seafloor. The tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the sun and moon on the earth. C option is correct. Tides in the sea are caused by combined effect of moon and sun. C option is correct. Next question. Water is saltier than rainwater because seawater is saltier than rainwater because rivers wash away salts from earth and pour them into the sea. That's why the water of sea is salty. A option is correct. In sea, plants are restricted up to the depth of 200 meters. B option is correct. El Nino occurs over Pacific Ocean. The Sargasso Sea is situated in Atlantic Ocean. A option is correct. The eastward continuation of Brazil current is called South Atlantic Drift. The rapidly growing mass of phytoplankton covering the surface water of a lake or pond is known as eutrophication. A option is correct. Next question. Which one of the following is a warm ocean current? It is Gulf Stream, that is a warm ocean current. Next question. The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called tide. A option is correct. Neap tides are weak. The ocean with the largest surface area is Pacific Ocean. The largest current, because of its dark waters, is known as the black current, and it is Kuroshio current. B option is correct. The spring tides occur on full moon day as well as on new moon day. Best way to conserve our water resources. The best ways are rainwater harvesting, sustainable water utilization, encouragement of water regeneration of vegetation. All are the important. D option is correct. Next question. The smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. How much of world's surface is covered by water? The percentage is 70%, that is covered by water. The largest reservoir of fresh water is these are glaciers. A option is correct. The El Nino phenomena, which sparks climatic extreme around the globe, originates in the Pacific Ocean. Terrigenous deposits are found in continental shelf and slope. The option is correct. El Nino that affects our monsoons has its origins in Pacific Ocean. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? Great Barrier Reef located in Pacific Ocean. A wide inlet of the sea, usually concave in shape, is termed as a bay. C option is correct. The gentle seaward sloping surface from the coast is called continental shelf. Ring of fire is found commonly in Pacific Ocean. Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef, is located in Australia. The deepest trench of the Indian Ocean is Java Trench. Tsunami is the name given to which of the following? Tsunami is the name given to the undersea waves. D option is correct. The tides in the sea are primarily due to the gravitational effect of the moon on the earth. D option is correct. A stretch of seawater partly or fully separated by a narrow strip from the main sea is called lagoon. The soil water which is of the greatest importance to the plant life is capillary water. B option is correct. The color of loamy soil is blackish brown. D option is correct. Laterite soils are found in the area where temperature is high and rainfall is heavy. The soil conservation method in which mountain slope is cut into step is terracing. The option is correct. For the cultivation of tobacco, the soil should be rich in potash. The option is correct. Which of the following types of soil is best suited for cotton cultivation? The soil is black soil, that is known as black cotton soil also. A option is correct. Next question. The soil which originate under tall grass prairie vegetation is called Cairnogem soils. C option is correct. Next question.